Hi there, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to show you how I made these cute little incense holders with air dry clay. And I will list all of the materials that I used in the description in case you want to try them yourself. So I basically just start with a few pieces of clay to work with, and I begin shaping out the stem. I make sure the bottom is flat so it'll stand on its own, and I pretty much do the same thing with the cap. I just try to imagine what my mushroom will look like, and I just shape it and move it and just work with it until I'm happy with it. Here I am making score marks on both the top of the stem and the bottom of the cap, and I use this homemade slip to bind them together. And then I use a paintbrush to add some texture underneath, and when the clay is still wet, I go ahead and make a small hole up top, and I try not to go too deep, just a tiny little hole will do. Once the clay is dry, I take a piece of sandpaper and I smooth it out and add a layer of gesso. Next, I'm gonna paint each of the caps a different color, and I'm just using acrylic paint. I add some detail underneath the cap, and then I start painting the stem, and I just add more detail. And then I decorate each cap, and if you're doing this at home, you can try different patterns, different themes, just have fun with it. And this is how they're coming along so far. They're looking super cute. And then I paint their cute little faces, and I add some more detail. They all get the cute little pink cheeks, and some of them get freckles or wrinkles, and then I basically just glaze them. And that's it. Here is the end result. I think they turned out so good. They're really cute, and I love their little expressions. I'm so happy with how this project turned out, and I hope you liked watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I have more videos like this coming soon. And thanks again. Let me know if you try this at home. Let me know how they turn out. Alright, see you next time. Bye.